An undulating jigsaw puzzle has pieces that undulate, as you can see here. You can drag pieces with the mouse. If you place a piece next to a piece with a matching edge, the two pieces click together. The computer times your progress. If you need to take a break, you can hit the pause button and enjoy a random inspirational quotation. Each puzzle piece is rendered on its own HTML canvas element. I handcrafted the drawing code. The animation is driven by the HTML Request Animation Frame API. We've solved the puzzle. Our time has been recorded, 47 seconds. When we return to the puzzles list, we see that our time was good enough to put us on the leaderboard for this puzzle. The puzzles have varying numbers of pieces, and some puzzles even have rotated pieces. Let's take a look at one now. To rotate a piece, you right-click on it, and it'll turn clockwise, 90 degrees. To rotate it counterclockwise, hold down the Shift key and right-click. You can also rotate groups of pieces. For a real challenge, you can try this puzzle.